Y'all ready? Let's go, let's go. Hey, my connectors, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, hit subscribe, join the family. If you like good food, it's the place to be. Hey, come and have a little fun with your girl, KC. What's up, my connectors, and welcome back to the channel. So today we got a challenge, So today we have a challenge. We have the Potato Volcano Challenge created by Tasha from Steph and Tasha. If y'all haven't not checked out their channel, go ahead on over to Steph and Tasha. This challenge was created by Tasha. So this is the Potato Volcano Challenge, and you have to see how many potato volcanoes you can eat. So you have to have at least 3 items on the potato, and it has to be drenched in sauce. You can put anything you want on the potato. And you have to take at least 1 bite of the potato, I think. I think that's what she said. I hope I ain't wrong, because I'm always messing up on the challenges. But anyway, if you are new to the channel, if you could please hit your subscribe button and your notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video is uploaded. Don't forget to share, like, and leave me a comment. I truly appreciate it. So yeah, we're going to jump right in. I am going to change all of this around because basically it was just for the thumbnail. Y'all ain't gonna lie. Okay, so stay tuned so we can get started. Alright, so I have king crab, which is right here. I have snow crab, I have Dungeness, I have shrimp, I have potatoes, of course, I have boiled eggs, I have sausage, I have broccoli, I have bell peppers, sauce. So that's everything I have to create these potatoes. And when all you have to do is cut them in half, and each half is 1. Because you know y'all be done saying, KC cheated again. Alright, so each half is 1. So you bust it open. I'm gonna talk y'all through this, okay? It's not timed. It's just however many you can eat. Now just say for instance I put sausage. What else we should put on there, child? Oh shoot, you know what? Let me bust open one of these crab legs. Alright, let's get a crab leg. That's what we'll put on it. It's gonna get messy. Ooh, it's gonna get messy. I bet y'all say, I don't know why you tried to do this. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. Potato, snow crab, sausage, and egg would be perfect, wouldn't it? Let's just pinch it. Yeah, pinch it. Girl, I look like I might choke. Hold on. You just gotta put a little sauce on it, okay? Ooh, that's hot. I know you lying. Ooh, I don't even know that. I don't know if I can put this in my mouth. Ooh, I know you lying. Okay, come on. That's good, though. So when you complete 1, oh, and you gotta beat her. I think she had 8. Or more than 9. Why am I chewing that? Don't worry about it. It's good though. And you don't have to do it in 1 bite. But that first bite, I think you have to get some of the potato. That's good. So that's 1. Oh, hey y'all. That was good. I got these big old steroid potatoes though. They too big. Okay, let's do potato. Oh, that snow crab was good. Hold on, let me just complete this shell real quick. Okay. Let's get a Dungeness on this one. Let's get a little Dungeness, okay? And bust him open. Come on, big man. Show me what you're working with. All right, so let's take a potato. Dungeness. Let's take a bell pepper. And what else, y'all? Shoot, I don't know. Broccoli? I bet y'all said, no, not broccoli. Well, which one? No, holler at me. Shoot. I'm putting a little egg. I don't know what else to put. Okay. Well, tell me what you want on the next one, cause I can't hear from there. Hold on. All right, so that's that. Ooh, that's gonna be good. All right, ready? It's number 2. That's really good. And you could still be cute. Cause why somebody say, Casey, you don't have to try to eat it cute. That was good. Oh, that was really good. Did they have broccoli on it? Hold on. Let me get a shrimp. I think that was 2, y'all. Hold on. Let me get a little shrimp. At first I was a little nervous. I ain't scared. Like, I'm Bone Crusher sister. I ain't never scared. Don't get it twisted. I'll get some broccoli. Hold on, I'm gonna have to bite this in half though. Oh, hold on, no I don't. All right, so you gotta have 3 things on there. We need 1 more, y'all. 1 more. I wish I had 2. Next time I'm putting 2, I put sausage. All right, broccoli, shrimp, and sausage. Uh-oh. These little raggedy potatoes I got. Uh-oh. Ooh. How many was that? 3? Got a shell. Okay, that's 3. That's not bad. Now this potato too big now. I'm gonna put some crab on there. Shoot. I think I'm about to say, Key, it's another crab in there. Cause I don't think I'm gonna need it.
You don't gotta tell me twice.
Look at Big Greedy. Look at Big Greedy. Well, I'm gonna do lobster next, y'all. All right, what you want? What you want on your potato? No crab. That bell pepper was good. I was gonna get bacon, cause I wanted a crunch. Then the inside of me said, "No, get you some vegetables and crunch on that." All right, I'm gonna do an egg. Hold on. I'm gonna do an egg. I bet y'all say, what in the world is going on? We ain't asked for no challenge today. Don't do that. I was gonna do an egg. I just did broccoli. So this will be number 4. Kiana helping me keep track, cause child, I've been on. This is 4. Woo! This would be a thumbnail. It should be some in there. Check and see. If not, come get it. It's really good with that crab meat, y'all. And these onions and peppers. Well, now I'm on 4. But yeah, so 2 truths, 1 lie from yesterday, where I build my next potato. First of all,
how many potatoes do you need?
You want a potato?
Yep.
Oh, here. So first of all, my camera cut off, so that made me mad. Cause some of y'all just knew the answer. Yeah, girl, please. I'm finna call some of y'all out today. I still might, cause y'all think I guess I talk too much, and I already told y'all a whole lot of stuff. Cause some of y'all broke it down. Girl, if you don't go sit down somewhere. So let me give you the results. So the first story was when we were coming from the Little League game and somebody was following us. So the camera cut off. But yeah, that story was true. He was following us because he was trying to get around us because my mom drove slow. But the camera cut off, so I couldn't finish the story. So that story was true. He wasn't actually following us. He was just mad because she was driving so slow. So he was going to go around her. Or he was trying to like just get home, I guess. And the reason we know that is because like on that last turn, he turned into his yard. And he jumped out of his car. And he was like, what are you doing? You know, he like yells. So basically he was just trying to get home. And we were panicking. So yeah. That's what happened there. Let me eat my next egg. Hold on. I bet y'all say, I know you lying. I'm gonna go and leave that skin on there for now. So that was number 4. I think this is 5. Ooh. Oh, Jesus. Y'all see that? Okay, I gotta show it to you. 1, 2, 3, yeah. I got makeup on my nose. I mean lipstick. No, that's good. I think this is 5. I like this because you can still eat kind of cute. I'm gonna do lobster. Alright, let's drench it in the sauce. Oh, yes. Oh, it's tender too. Hot dog. Alright, so let's do lobster. Should I put a piece of crab? So we got lobster and crab. I have stuff flying everywhere. Jeez. Alright. Alright, so while I build this, the second story, which most of you said was a lie. I can't stand y'all. You know I'm doing it over, right? Because I had to think of that story at the last minute. And I don't know why I picked Kit and that. Because, like, y'all already know Kit ain't got no tattoos. And he didn't have tattoos when I met him. 1, 2. One more thing. I was so mad I picked that story because all y'all talking about, girl, Kit ain't got no tattoos. Ain't nowhere in the world. And y'all was in love so long. I can't stand y'all. Okay, anyway, this is it. So you were right. If you said that number 2 was a lie, it definitely was a lie. He doesn't have any tattoos. I don't have any tattoos. Okay? Can't stand y'all, man. I think this, oh, sorry, the camera cut on. But I think this is number 6. That lobster good. Let me build the next one. Cut the potatoes. Potato cut in half. I went and told Kid. I told Kid the stories. He was talking about, I think they know you well enough to know. You wouldn't be going for that. I wouldn't have a tattoo. I was like, I know, but I couldn't think of anything else. I was like, I'm definitely doing it again. Because some of y'all were just like, girl, go sit down with that second story. I was so mad. I was like, I'm definitely doing it over. So it'll be another 2 truths, 1 lie. Because the camera cut off and all that. But number 3 was the Carnival shoe store. Yeah, I won a year's supply. Some of y'all was like, child, Carnival ain't finna give you nothing but a coupon. But no, I won. I couldn't believe it either. But, alright, so this is number 7. A bit of potato. Wow, that's good. So, yeah, child. I won a year's supply of shoes. And the man was following us, but Kid does not have a tattoo of anybody else's name on his body. But we will do it again. I gotta bust open this king crab. Where's that lobster? So, well, y'all something else. Faith Squad. Shout out to my sis, Faith Squad. Shout out to G. Shout out. I'm gonna just call all y'all name out after this video. Because y'all had me dying laughing as to why number 2 was a lie. Okay. God dog, that thing good. What am I on? 7? I think I'm on 7. Alright, so this is the other half of that potato. This will be number 8. So all I gotta do is, I think, eat 1 more and I'll beat her. What am I doing? She getting carried away. Let me get a shrimp. Oh, hold on, we got some more crab. Snow crab. Baby, I want blood and now. Oh my God. Now I want me a whole plate of snow and lobster. Oh, did I just eat the jam? I mean, excuse me, y'all. I ate the thing. I'm supposed to be putting that on the thing. God dog. Yeah, I done ate the crab, girl. Hold on, let me get another one. Dog. Run in my mouth. Run in my mouth. Hold on, I told this one. I got it. I got a claw. That's even better. My bad, y'all. I'm sorry. Hold on. I think I'm on 8. But that was dumb. You okay? That was dumb. Okay, here we go. It's all in one piece, too. Oh. Okay, potato. Claw. This is gonna be good. Do I want pepper? I'll take a pepper. Pepper. I just had sausage, so. Oh, lobster. I put a piece of lobster on here. Hold on. Where's that? Oh, right here. Piece of lobster. Okay. I don't know about the bell pepper on this. Let's just do all meat. Y'all want all meat? Okay. Let's do this sausage. Hold on. Sorry. There's only so much casing I can take. I be trying. Oh, hold on. Put some more. I don't about use all my sauce. I think I'm on number 8 anyway. All I need is 2 more. Ooh, now this one a little big, y'all. Put a hold of this. That's good. It's messy, but it's so good. But what was I telling y'all? So yeah, I'm gonna do it again though. I was so mad. I was so mad. I was laughing. I was mad at myself. Not mad, y'all, but you know. I had choked. What number that was? Shoot, what number was that? 8? I think that was 8. Whew. Cut it in half. We had a little full. I'm gonna do a vegetable one for the. This is for the vegans. Okay. Shh. Shh. Be nice. I'm just kidding, y'all. Okay, don't get mad at me. But this is for the vegans. All vegetables. 2 different bell peppers, broccoli, and a potato with onions and sauce. And let me get down here to the bottom so I can get some more sauce. We kind of dry on the sauce, but maybe I can borrow some of this on the plate. You just gotta know what you got. Alright, ready? Still good. That was for the big ones. I think this is 9. I'm gonna eat one more just in case. Where's that lobster? Oh, I might eat that lobster by itself. Let's finish this Dungeness. Oh shoot, the king crab. I gotta do another one. I got a potato right here. Oh shoot, I keep forgetting. I'm so used to eating. You know what I mean? Hold on. Let me get this one. Girl. Somebody asked me yesterday, girl, how do you de-shell without eating? Girl, I be eating sometime. I ain't gonna lie. What you see is what made it to the video. That's why I probably, my de-shell snow crab videos, they don't usually make it. I end up having to go do something else because it's hard for me to. What I got on here? Dungeness, egg, and I'll do broccoli. Broccoli. I think this is number 9. Okay. Oh, I'm about to say, what is that hanging off? Okay. That man gonna put us out. Messing around here with Tasha. I'm sorry. I be coming to Cali, sleeping on the couch. I think that was 9. So I got this big clock because I know somebody gonna say, what happened to the king crab? They love to say that. What happened to the king crab? Ooh, fat meat. Let me just bite that shit. God, dog. Oh my God. That claws, that thing talk different. That thing speak to your heart. Where my scissors? Okay. This was not bad at all. This was actually really good. Alright, T, you did that. This was really good. God, dog, let's get this meat out of here. I don't know if I should use this king crab, but it's just like you want to savor the meat. Okay. See if I can crack this thing. I wish they come pre-cracked. Oh shoot. Wait a minute now. Alright, cut cold. I'm just getting a little piece. I don't want to tear all my meat out. Okay. I bet y'all say you can't even do the challenge because you keep putting it in your mouth. Calm down here. Okay, calm down. Alright, king crab. I need a little egg with this. Egg. Oh, what we gonna do? What we gonna do, y'all? Oh no. We just did broccoli. We just did the vegan, so we ain't doing that one again. I guess we can do shrimp. Do I have another piece of shrimp? Let's do this shrimp. Alright. So we got king crab, shrimp, and eggs. We're just gonna try to scoop this little bit of sauce we got left. When I tell you I'll be using all my sauces, and if I make it, I'm gonna eat it. Alright, ready? Oh, this is gonna be a messy one. That was good. I think this is the last one. Boy, this is that's a towel right here, y'all. Man, it's a mess. Alright, so I'm biting shell child from the doggone king crab. It's all in my tea. So thank you guys so much. Oh, hold on, let me finish the king crab. Oh, I forgot to ask y'all how many of y'all thought I was gonna eat. And did y'all think I was gonna beat Tasha? Or did I say that? Alright, so if I didn't, I'm gonna clip this in. How many do you think I will eat? And do you think I will beat Tasha? She ate 8. Or was it 9? I don't know. She ate 8 or 9. So do you think I'm gonna beat her? I'll clip that in. Let's end that. That was delicious. The lobster, king crab, the shrimp, Dungeness, snow crab, broccoli. Shoot, I'm gonna do a boil with this. I mean, I won't upload it tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all a break. But I was gonna upload the lasagna today. But I had to come and tell y'all the results of the Two Truths, One Lie. So thank you so much for joining me. I really do appreciate it. Much love, peace, and blessings to each and every one of you. And until the next video, continue making connections with endless possibilities. I love y'all. Bye, y'all.